Everyone's crying. Except for this guy, he's letting me hold him. But he's not very happy. They're all scared of me. Except for this one, he likes me too. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. They're watching Mickey Mouse. He's staring at me like he's really scared. So he keeps his distance away from me. But are you fascinated with this, buddy? They can't understand me, I can't understand them. He keeps saying Abouye, and I don't know what that means. But they're quieting down, that's good, that's always good. But if I get close to them, they'll start crying, so I'm gonna keep my distance. Because watch, if I get too close, they start crying. That one screams a lot.